Okay, so throughout this Module 5, we've kind of used the same analogy of me going into China, trying to buy breakfast from a woman on the street selling breakfast, and showing how difficult it was to kind of access that. So this is kind of an example that we've shown over and over to talk about the decentralized, democratized, expansive nature of fintech solutions and how they're kind of changing the world. Some at a rapid pace, some at a less rapid pace. We've talked about how, in developing economies, sometimes they're leapfrogging technologies that exist in developed countries. And we also talked about how some of the legacy systems on both the financial institution side, say big banks, et cetera, and now more recently on the tech fin side, are changing, and we have to, from a government regulatory standpoint, perhaps rethink the way that we really classify or even regulate these big companies.
At the heart of a lot of these new technologies and these advances in fintech that we've been discussing is the importance of using the concepts, the models, these 5Ds and other principles that we've talked about in this module to assess new technologies, how they're going to impact you individually as well as all of us collectively, to really understand, is this going to lead us to a better place, or is it just going to lead to another kind of concentration of power and influence just in a different form?
So in the next module, we're going to explore some of these topics even further and really dig into some specific examples of how people are kind of utilizing this technology for good, and maybe some of the negative unintended consequences that occur when we don't think about the application of these technologies.